Wood has been a precious material used by civilizations for centuries to create beautiful and useful decorative objects. Today, with the development of modern technology, wood lathes and CNC machines have opened a new world of creativity in the woodworking industry. Join us to discover their great working ability through the following video. Tormat Joker combines robust design, advanced technology, and versatile units for the precise manufacturing of furniture legs. It's equipped for a range of wood turning and milling tasks, utilizing 4 axes, 2 turning knives, and 2 milling knives to efficiently craft intricate wood surfaces. This machine is equipped with a hydraulic cylinder and steady rest, resulting in exceptional precision and capacity. Parada's Infinity Series table production process begins with a love of wood. Each table is skillfully crafted, a testament to Parada's commitment to quality. The base is made of finely carved walnut or ash wood. Skilled artisans then meticulously assemble the parts to ensure structural integrity and exquisite finish. The finished masterpiece is carefully packaged and ready to adorn homes around the world. In this video, maple plywood transforms into a stunning 3D accent wall with 289 panels and a matching desk. The SmartShop MCNC router crafts intricate wave-like shapes, adding aesthetic depth to the wall. The custom-built structure, complete with benches, brings dynamic movement to a contemporary reception area. Shigeki Matsuka's Kokoda chair showcases handmade intricacy that defies machine crafting. Prioritizing comfort aesthetics, the chair's simple design highlights essential functions while inviting tactile interaction. The Kokoda chair secured a 2021 Good Design Award from the Chicago Athenaeum and the European Center for Architecture, Art, Design and Urban Studies. In a world increasingly driven by technology, the Kokoda chair stands as a timeless reminder of the profound impact human creativity can wield over the realm of design. Crafting an elegant S-shaped curve in wood panels involves employing precise cutting, bending and shaping techniques. The Curvomatic introduces a revolutionary method for fashioning graceful curves in both wood and plastic materials. The combination of carefully selected wood, traditional craftsmanship, and this innovative method can yield remarkable results. The table production process at T& Buck begins with craftsmen meticulously selecting the best wood, ensuring both aesthetics and durability. High levels of craftsmanship are evident in every aspect as the artisans meticulously refine curves, edges and patterns. Integrating an automatic wood engraving machine helps improve efficiency without affecting artistry. With the reproducibility and precision of a craftsman, these machines redefine the boundaries of precision in woodworking. Wood engraving machines speed up production, allowing for more sophisticated works. The result is a table that harmoniously merges traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. As a carpenter, he devoted his whole heart to making the door for his house. After marking the locations for the pull pins, he carefully drilled the holes using a drill bit of the appropriate diameter. After quite a long time, the door was gradually completed beautifully. Finally, he assembled and checked carefully. He completed his door in happiness. Offers a flexible solution for fabricating curved wooden railings effectively and efficiently. They thoroughly shared their process of achieving smooth, realistic curves, expanding the design possibilities for unique wooden handrails. Such a railing design saves time and costs and allows for easy parcel management during transportation. To construct an L-shaped cyclorama, begin by planning the dimensions and layout for the desired effect. Then, build a sturdy frame, ensuring the junction between the two walls is seamless and secure. Finally, cover with drywall coat with matte paint for a non-reflective surface, perfect for ideal lighting conditions. SCM woodworking machines offer an exclusive system for the processing of intricate wooden pieces. As an industry leader, SCM focuses on full automation, enhancing safety and improving ergonomics. Unmanned operations are a hallmark, ensuring efficient production without constant oversight. These machines feature a compact, functional design, maximizing space and efficiency in woodworking processes. SCM marks a transformative step forward in wood manufacturing, fusing technology and craftsmanship seamlessly. The My 06 billion wood edge banding machine offers manual edge banding, trimming and diamatic end cutting functions. With features like chamfering, polishing and precise trimming, the My 06 billion enhances efficiency in furniture production. This Coca-Cola Santa sign is crafted using CNC inlay technology to precisely align the design. The design is meticulously created through computer software, ensuring accuracy and detail. Once the pattern is formed, each piece is carefully placed onto the board, creating the iconic Coca-Cola Santa Claus image. The board is then sanded to ensure a smooth surface and coated with protective paint to enhance the natural beauty and durability of the wood. At Fenable, they are very careful in choosing high-quality wood to ensure durability and beauty when crafting chairs. The wood is cut precisely according to the design parameters of the chair, ensuring accuracy. They use 5, and 6-axis CNC wood cutting machines to achieve high precision. Each piece after cutting is thoroughly sanded to achieve smoothness. Assembly is then done carefully, ensuring all parts fit together seamlessly. Finally, the chair is coated with paint to preserve its beauty and durability before undergoing rigorous quality testing. Wood carving with a router provides precise and intricate detail, allowing for the creation of intricate designs and patterns. This technique requires skill and practice to control the speed and depth of the router to achieve the desired results. The router is equipped with different bits that can create many different textures. In particular, safety precautions, such as wearing protective gear and fastening wood, are important when using a router. The wood embossing machine creates intricate wood patterns on a variety of surfaces, simulating real wood grain with astonishing realism. This sophisticated device uses advanced technology to print wood-like textures onto a variety of materials, faithfully capturing the essence of natural wood grain on a variety of surfaces. A wood screwdriver that creates precise screw lines for woodworking projects, improving the precision of a carpenter's work. This device simplifies the creation of wood fibers, ideal for custom furniture and handmade products. This fully automated CNC lathe efficiently processes works with precision, enhancing productivity and ensuring consistent quality. With its automated capabilities, this CNC lathe handles tasks effectively, boosting efficiency and maintaining stable quality standards. Jam technology is applied to create intricate patterns and details on the wooden surface. This method requires skill and patience to create smooth curves and precise angles. The versatility and ease of use of this device allow operation over a wide variety of terrain and depths. Here you can see how a rough piece of crabapple wood turns into a beautifully shaped dry vase. With each careful move of the lathe, the shape of the log changes, revealing the unique grain of the wood. As the shape emerges, the rough exterior gives way to a smooth, refined surface. The finished vase is a testament to the artistry and craftsmanship of wood carving. CNC machining tools are more than just cutting and machining machines. They are also a work of art, a way to create sophisticated products with precise lines and characters. Using settings previously entered into the computer, this tool is capable of crafting unique, beautiful final products, providing great customer satisfaction. The CNC router is truly a powerful tool in the woodworking and manufacturing industry. Its automation and precision allow the creation of many valuable woodworks with intricate and beautiful details. From works of art to high-end furniture products, CNC routers have promoted creativity and brought much value to the wood industry.